Subtech Online. Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again. I want to show you how we do number coloring depending on the sign, either negative or positive. So you can always give it a different color such that it is visible. Now, how do we do this? We all know how we get a change. That is equal to we get the new minus the before, then you divide by new, and that is percentage. I'll put this in percentage and run it downwards. So when we look at this, you see that we have negatives and we have positives. So how do we change the color? Now the first thing is to get the symbols. So on your keyboard you press Windows dot, Windows full stop, or when you're using Mac you press Control Command space. You'll get the dialog for the symbols. I will go with my favorite symbols I already have here. Double click this, double click that, and double click that. Those are the symbols we need. So go ahead and copy this. Then I'm going to pick number formatting, that is Control 1. So when I press Control 1, this is what I get. So you go to custom, then there is a 0, paste your symbols. Now this is a positive one. I want it to be with that positive. I can leave a space, semicolons, then negative 0%. Then I paste my down arrow. So this is how it is going to be. If it is positive, then it is that. So the moment I leave it like this and I go ahead and I OK this, OK, this is what we get. So if I run this one downwards, that's what we get. Now, how do we change the color? We go back. So I'll select this again, Control 1. Still we get our dialog box as usual. Now we want to change this by putting the colors. So you come in front, put the square brackets. I will make this blue, the positive one, put a space. In front of the negative one, square brackets, I'll make this red. And here we go. I do OK, and boom, that is it, guys. So that's how you can do it. So the moment I change this to, let's say, 23, it will be a negative and it will automatically change to red, and the symbol will also change automatically. So guys, that is it. Please give us a thumbs up if you find this one helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button to make sure that you get any notification when we post a video like this, and leave us a comment. Anything we shall give you. Bye bye.